everyone, this is 𝘤𝘰𝘭𝘭𝘢 and welcome to our channel. And today's video, as you can see, I have a big box in front of me. This is from Amazon Prime wardrobe. It says here, try before you buy, right? Yes, we'll order like 8 maximum of 8 items worth 300, and then it is free delivery and free return. You will be charged of what you keep only. So without further ado, let's open the box. It says open here, so let's open here. Here, right?
Yes.
Oh, say welcome to our channel, baby. Jeff is here. He's hiding.
Hello everyone.
I should set my mind to buy only one. How it works. Try everything on. You have 7 days to decide what you love. Complete your purchase or return at amazon.com your orders. Returning items, put returns in the box. Drop your package off at a nearby UPS. Also, oh my.
How long have we had this box?
7 days. So May 12. We will return it May 12.
Okay.
Here, I'm excited. So here's the return label. So this is Adidas memory foam footbed. See?
Oh, this reads, explore your surroundings. These Adidas running inspired shoes feature a foot-hugging knit upper and a female-friendly fit.
Oh, it's friendly. So what's friendly? We'll try
female
this.
Friendly?
Just look like big or
so
no?
they're gender biased
It's
shoes.
cute. I like the color. You like the color, baby?
Well, they're your shoes.
I mean, you like, because
Yeah,
I like
nice.
pink.
I know. That's more of a mauve
I
color
like pink.
than a pink.
Huh?
More of a mauve color than a pink. Has a soft midsole cushioning, adds comfort as you head out for coffee or discover a busy side street.
So it's for running. It's a running shoes.
These shoes are good for protesting at any event.
I ordered 2 Adidas. And this one.
And these are the 70s style Adidas.
Yes, 70s style Adidas.
That's a throwback.
Oh, Cloudfoam also.
That's during my era when I was wearing like Pumas look like that too.
Really?
Mm-hmm.
It's nice. Look nice.
Yeah.
Still pink, right?
Yeah, they're nice.
Me and my pink.
Yeah, she's on this kick right now for pink.
I like it also. You like it, baby?
Yeah, a 70s styles reborn. These women's shoes take inspiration from iconic sports styles of the past and move them into the future. The shoes are made of a durable leather-like upper, leather-like. Oh, that's nice. So they're pleather with signature 3 stripes along the sides. Plush midsole cushioning gives comfort to every step.
Oh, the third one is Crocs. This is your favorite color, baby?
It's a nice color.
Yeah, I know.
Blue. I like blue. That is my favorite color. Those were nice.
Oh, I like the Crocs.
Yeah. I like how they're breathable too. Look at how they're breathable. Huh.
But it's like big in my feet. My feet is so small. I like the here inside. I like inside, baby. I like inside. See? You can see, guys. It's always focusing in my face. My favorite brand, Skechers.
That was her dream to own Skechers.
It's my dream to own a Skechers, and I have my Skechers, and oh my OMG, I love it. It's so comfortable. Even I stand 10 hours at work. Never experienced sore in my feet. This I think I like the Skechers.
No, she instantly likes those. She'll keep those.
I think I will keep this.
She'll probably keep the Crocs and the Skechers. That's my bet.
I love Skechers so much. Yes, it's lightweight. It's comfortable and affordable. Among the shoes I ordered, Skechers is way cheap than other.
Take a ride in a new kind of footwear inspired by today's on-the-go lifestyles. The LiteRide collection was created to be worn on your terms. I don't know who else's terms it would be. Featuring LiteRide foam footbeds, the latest breakthrough in world-class comfort. These are engineered to make you feel sensational with every step along life's winding path. Plus, the fresh new camo graphics on the outsole let you blend in or stand out as you wish.
Wow. 3, 4, the fifth one. Still Skechers.
Those are nice too.
Yeah.
Those are blue.
It's blue also. It's your favorite color.
I like those.
That's why I ordered this, because it's your favorite, and I ordered pink because pink, I don't know why my favorite color is pink. Can't understand it, but I love pink. I don't know how to remove this, baby. Can I remove like this? Can I destroy this? Oh, wow. Look at that. I love Skechers. Look at that. It is a design only. It's a show only. So let's remove. Oh wow.
I like those.
It's lightweight. Super lightweight.
And complete your look for your afternoon stroll in Skechers. Go Walk 5. 15925 walking shoe. Stretch knit fabric. Upper features a heathered finish with cooling weave panels. Synthetic 3D print overlay at heel for stability. Slip-on construction. Round toe, stationary lace front panel. Pull tabs at the tongue and heel panel offer easy entry. Well, that's nice, easy entry. Padded collar, heel panel synthetic overlay for added stability. That's so you don't fall down. Signature logo, accents at the heel. Breathable fabric lining, lightweight, responsive, ultra go. Cushioning. Air-cooled Goga mat. Breathable insole provides high rebound cushioning, high rebound comfort pillar technology. Underfoot, react to easy every step for the ultimate comfort. Dual density outsole provides stability and support.
It's machine washable.
Yeah, nice.
Wow,
yeah, this
nice.
is the longest description of all the shoes.
So I ordered shoes because I need this for my work, because my work required to stand 10 hours a day, 10 to 12 hours. So I need a good pair of shoe.
Yes.
So I like Amazon Prime.
Yeah, because you're standing on concrete. It'd be different if you're standing on the earth.
What are you talking?
Well, I mean the dirt, ground. You're standing on concrete, and concrete doesn't give. So it has to have a give point. The give point is in your shoe, so it doesn't radiate up to your joints.
So this is Hanes. It's worth $4.99 or $5. $5, and it's plain. You want me to try this?
Yeah.
I think I will return this.
No, why? It's a good shirt to wear to work.
I know.
It's only $5.
So okay, and let's try this and let's decide what we will keep.
Yeah, those are nice. How they feel walking them.
Oh, it's nice.
Oh, these are the Adidas.
Oh yes, this is Adidas. Running. For running.
Yeah, those
We
are.
should run sometimes, baby.
No, running isn't good for you.
Why?
Because it's hard on your joints, it's hard on your organs. I mean, when we run, it's on pavement or concrete, and it doesn't give. I mean,
Wow!
it's one thing to run on the beach. That would be a good place to run.
I mean, this one is so comfortable.
Are they?
Yeah.
Oh, that's good. Well, I guess that's a keeper.
Let's see the Skechers.
I'm telling you, she's gonna end up keeping them all.
But the style is like not much. Oh, I think you will put it here.
No.
Yeah.
No.
Yes, cause so
No.
you can see the Adidas logo. It's a no.
Why are they paying you advertise?
No. I wish. See, wow, I like the.
You like those?
Yes, yes.
They say they're that camouflage fabric. So I guess, you know, so nobody can see your feet.
What? Who can see my feet for this? What are you talking?
No, it was in her description.
Oh, I like this and the Adidas.
And the other blue Skechers too. And you like the Crocs too.
Compared to other shoes, this one I like and the Adidas.
Well, I think you need to try on these Skechers again.
Oh, you like it?
Well, no, I mean try them on after you take these off and compare the two. See which one is more comfortable.
This one.
You recall?
Yeah, this one is so comfortable.
Okay, more comfortable than these here.
Yes. You want me to try that again?
Yeah, I'm just curious.
Okay. I will take off the other.
Yeah, she's taking off her left shoe and putting on the other shoe, so she's gonna compare the two.
See? I like this. Compare this. Oh, they're all the same. Let me say, oh my god, it's hard to decide. Which one you like, baby? Huh?
I like the blue ones,
Oh my god.
but the other ones are nice too. I mean, you can keep both of them.
No, it costs money.
Well, everything costs money.
I mean,
There is no free here in the United States.
if you will ask me, I like this for my work. This one.
Okay. Well, then keep those for your work and keep the other ones for leisure.
Wait, I like this, baby.
Okay. Well, then keep that.
I like this.
Okay, so far that's the front runner. So what we're going to do is we're going to replace another shoe on your left foot.
This one? This one?
Yeah, that's your left.
I know. This is my left. Oh, we have Adidas. Other Adidas.
Yeah, we're going to try this Adidas here that she really likes.
OMG, this is lightweight. Oh, love this. Guide me, Lord. I want to buy one only.
But we know that's not happening.
Oh, this one has more like foam, like much foam inside.
So it's got more support.
More support than this one.
Okay. So far,
But
the black ones are leading.
yeah, I like this one. I like it here in this side, but here it's like they need to put more foam, or maybe because I don't know. Either not.
Well, you gotta remember, you're gonna be standing on concrete and working in them for 10 hours. So those shoes on your left foot so far are more leisure shoes. They're not made for work.
Let's try the Crocs. So far, the Skechers win.
Yeah.
it's the Skechers
Yeah,
win.
Skechers still winning.
How you like it? Oh, it's comfortable also.
Really? They look nice.
Yeah. Oh, wow. I think all of them are nice. No one is not nice. This one is so comfortable. Like you can stand for 12 hours and you will not feel sore for that Skechers.
You won't feel sorry for it?
Huh?
You won't feel sorry for it? You won't
Sorry?
feel sorry?
What sorry?
That's what you said.
Sore.
Oh, sound like you said sorry.
Sorry, you know my English. Forgive my English, guys.
Yeah, forgive mine too.
I'm surprised they understand my English at work. Like I will not repeat my questions.
Well, we're like the United Nations of the United States here in Columbus.
Like when I went to HR to ask something, I'm surprised they understand it.
Well, honey,
wow.
you can't understand you. I mean, it's the Filipinos that are very critical of people's English, and it's funny because that's not your first language, but yet they're critical.
It's cute also.
Yeah, those are nice.
Oh my god, it's so cute. Oh, if I have money, I will keep this all shoes.
She can keep them all if she wants
No.
to. She's just cheap.
Guys, thank you for watching. This is the continuation of our Amazon wardrobe unboxing, and I decided to keep the 2 Skechers and Crocs. Actually, I am wearing it now.
She's wearing the Crocs.
I'm wearing the Crocs, and Jeff chose this, but I choose the Skechers, and I will return the Adidas. It's all of them are comfortable, but I choose the, what you call that, baby, like the best. The best. I like the Adidas, the pink one, or is that pink? The pink one.
Yeah, it's kind of like a mauve color. It's not a really pink, maybe a muted pink.
Yes, a muted pink. I like that, but since Jeff don't like it, so that's why I'm not keeping it. But
one of them's made out of pleather, you know.
Oh, the pleather. Yes, that one I don't. It's not that comfortable. It's comfortable, but not much. And we're here in Meyer. So thank you for watching, and if you like to try, I will put the link below,
Yep,
so
let's
you
go.
can
We don't have time to
try.
dally.
Okay, bye bye.